Welcome to 16 Hewitts Avenue Thirroul. This quaint 3-bedroom weatherboard cottage is the perfect family home. Come with me and check it out.
The natural beauty of this home is absolutely breathtaking, with a good mix of modern and character features. This home has a large entertaining deck overlooking a swim spa and a lovely beach cabana. It is only moments away from Thirroul Village, great schools, Macaulay's Beach and public transport. So if you are looking for a stunning home in Thirroul that offers a fantastic lifestyle, please contact myself or the team at Dignan Real Estate 7 days a week so we can get you through the property as soon as possible.